Want to access Google search instantly without opening your browser every time? Adding the Google search bar to your Android or Samsung home screen is quick, simple, and only takes about a few tabs. Follow these easy steps to get it set up. Go to your home screen and look for a blank area that doesn't have any app icons or folders. Touch and hold the empty space for a few seconds until the home screen customization options appear. From the menu that appears, tap Widgets. This will display all the widgets available from the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the widget list until you see the Google section. Tap it to expand and view all available Google widgets. Locate the search widget. Tap Add or press and hold the widget, then drag it onto your home screen. Place it wherever you want and release it. If needed, touch and hold the search bar to move it to another location. On most Android phones, you can also resize the widget by dragging its edges until it fits your preferred layout. That's it. The Google search bar is now on your home screen. You can instantly search the web, use voice search, or launch Google Lens with a single tap. If you don't see the Google widget, make sure the Google app is installed, enabled, and updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store. Once updated, repeat these steps and the search bar should appear in the widgets menu.